Irom Chanu Sharmila demands for a plebiscite for the removal of Armed Forces Special Powers Act from Manipur. Chief Minister sees work at 40 kV mega power substation in Thoubal, Kuno, instructs official to complete groundwork before monsoon. And Neroka FC and Gangtok Himalaya are drawn by 1-1 in the second division I-League at Kuman Lampak main stadium. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News. I'm Janish Kasliwal with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Now, Irom Chanu Sharmila has demanded for a plebiscite for the removal of the Armed Forces Special Powers Act, FSPA. She was today produced before the Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal West at Uripok Chairap Court Complex. Speaking to media persons, Sharmila lamented that Manipur government has so far not recognized her 15-year-old protest. She asserted that her protest is for the welfare of the people, not for her personal gains. Sharmila, however, expressed her satisfaction and gratefulness to people from different parts of the world for their support to her protest against the FSPA and questioned why the black law is imposed in Manipur. She said she had received more than 8,000 postcards from different parts of the world expressing their solidarity with her.
Mayam postcard letter I Kongjangji Sogot Pongdok Thare Aina Adam Yabnadi Kanosi Paukum Hanning Bayam Hek Pienjaba Adumba Mioina Hingbagi Wakang Matau to the Pienja Dana Kumning Badu in a Mediai Kutanga Yamna Pienjay Takasari Plebiscite Ama Ita Sing Pang yes or no Habadu Miamna Kari Lawiriba Adu democracy Saliba Miamgi Ni Hana Tauribasi Kitang Hangman Bara Hina Kanva history has a lot of Simbadi Makoi Mapuning Hongo Hajaning.
A hearing on the case against Irom Chanu Sharmila was held today in the court of the CJM Imphal West. The court was to hear the statement of 3 witnesses, including Sakal convener Soibam Momon. However, the CJM Enuteno Shore ruled that the statement of the 3 witnesses will be taken on January 14th. Statement of 15 witnesses will be recorded in connection with the case. Sakal voiced their dissatisfaction at the indifferent attitude of the government and maintained that Sakal and people of Manipur are with Sharmila.
Masu thokpa ma oiroknabagi polama silak praiti suksin sinte habanida mananga si priendise adubu masi sindre hadana so hanbabati sulai leiroi habanida prajana so halloi ma masana so halloi habasi ma ngasi ge khoigi sarkar na khangbi gadabani sine khoin haisi adu mapi ma mapa ma oina ngasi ma asigumlaba sangaba matam asida mahana tauriba posak aseng asigi mahaki masal amasung masa mana karigumba sangthal amena khalaga su Sangtela Mena Kanda Taraga Sungasi, Adoma Koisu, Madu Mahoina, Kota Sanariba Poses Hanabanga Moeva.
Chief Minister Okrem Ibobi Singh, who also holds the power portfolio today, saw the progress of the work at 40 kV mega power substation in Thoubal, Kuno. Ibobi gave strong instructions to officials concerned to complete the groundworks of the mega power project before the arrival of monsoon. A large number of people of Thoubal, Wangmatava and Kuno met the Chief Minister and urged him to repair the stretch of National Highway 102 in Thoubal, Kuno. They said the road has become deplorable with the construction of the mega substation, as large vehicles engaged for the construction are frequently using the road. They also threatened to close the road if it was not immediately repaired. The Chief Minister assured them that the road will be repaired in 2 months. Political convention of Bharatiya Janata Party BJP was held at Kakching Khunau Bazaar today. BJP Manipur Pradesh President T.H. Chauba, Thongzu MLA Bishwajit, Thangmeiban MLA K.H. Joy Kishan and several BJP members attended the political convention. The 49th Raising Day of Manipur Police Training College was celebrated today, observed at Pangai. Newly appointed DGP of Manipur, L.M. Khaute, inaugurated a pavilion constructed at the parade ground of Manipur Police Training College. On the occasion, the construction of the pavilion was taken up by IGP K.H. Chandramani, Director Manipur Police Training College, with the permission of the DGP Manipur last year and completed within 5 months. IGP K.H. Chandramani said the training center has has for the first time imparted training to 376 SI and ASI cadets, and the pavilion was constructed before the passing out parade to be held in March.
Hana reportedly chahi 40 years on. Koi sa damuda hoine matamda sum improvise to kha saba Instagram leramba. It is about to be crumble. It ninghai toraba. DG da koi approach torga koi gi pangi gi phandagi to gani koi into phase. First phase da 3 lakh 15,000. Aduga second phase na 3 lakh 46,000 gumba. Toga koina sabani. Estimated police housing corporation sabani, but it was consulted departmentally. Only material cost khatin PFC. Labor di koina puthok jaban.
The 33rd Foundation Day of Kangleipak Ki Maira, an evening newspaper, was held today at Manipur Press Club. Speaking on the occasion, MLA N. Biren Singh reiterated that people must stand united against the forces or persons that are threatening the state instead of compromising with them. He maintained that only then Manipur would become a peaceful and developed state. The MLA also said the journalists in the state should now take up investigative journalism. Several journalists were also honored with awards on the occasion. Best Male Journalist Print was awarded to Sangai Express sports journalist Mayang Lambam Rumain, Best Journalist Male Electronic to ISTV's Noreen Ningombam, Best Female Journalist Print to Sanalaybak's E. Babina, Best Appreciated IPR Personnel PH Satyamala, Best Hawker to Chirom Baba Biren.
Yana Satpudani Manipur Lord said. Yana Satpudi Madam Thursday. I left the stay and I'm going to quick layer with them. Manipur is the Pekane. I call Manipur like up to I gave a Yamani in Hava. Legislation, okay, we don't say. Come legislation. Manipur to have a campus here. We have to trust them. Manipur to Manipur Basetani and heck to anybody. Murder terrorist kit type of the Pumado. Trust the word Nimado, can the compromise with the negotiator with the man.
A team of 45 Assam Rifles of 9 Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of IGR Headquarters South and Hengang Police arrested one UNLF cadre during a joint operation in Koirangay on January 1st. The cadre was identified as self-styled Thoibi, 24 years, son of Rajain of Yumnampatlo, Pangay. A 19mm pistol along with magazine and 3 live rounds were recovered from him. Now, a one-day interactive discourse on Maoist movement and the role of the state Chhattisgarh experience was held today at Manipur Press Club. The event was organized by Center for Manipur Studies, Manipur University, Columnists Forum Manipur and Imphal Times. Subhojit Bakshi, Bureau Chief, The Hindu, Kolkata, spoke on the Maoist activities in Chhattisgarh, while Professor Rajendra Khetri, Head Department of Sociology, Manipur University, moderated the discussion.
Tribal movements are going on for ages, and so Maoists are just a tiny dot on that. And there is a very good example how even before the Maoists came in the area, even before, in fact, there's a split in Communist Party. The split in Communist Party happened in 1964, and CPI-ML, which was formed in 1967, which is one part of it is overground, the other part is underground. The underground part is CPI Maoist. The overground part is still CPI-ML or CPI Maoist Marxist-Leninist.
Family of the accused involved in a rape case of 13-year-old girl from Lilong on December 9th misled the court by producing a fake marriage certificate of the accused and the victim. Speaking at a press meet held at the office of Pangal Students Organization, General Secretary of Anjuman Islah-e-Musharrah, Lilong, Mohammad Habibullah, said the family of the accused submitted a marriage certificate issued by Jamaitul Ulama Manipur during a hearing in the court. However, the certificate had no countersign of either the victim or her parents. Habibullah demanded that Jamaitul Ulama Manipur should give the clarification on the issuance of such a certificate.
Pigi mapagi ayaba amadi nupi masagi ayaba yaudana hairiba pol asin nika sonkre hairiba thoiba thodongna tang mapandani December ge aduga mohoina puraiba che sida ireiba tarikhina December ge tarik kunga mangada isu to bachi ama puthoga court submit tore hairiba jamitul ulama na isu tauba asigum laba nikah nama asida nupi masana amadi nupi gi mapan ayaba pikhiba leite Islamic law da singnaba aduma masu tarokliba mohoi sing ase law gi ain gi oiba chapchaba pibam dokpa dandi do re pistugi mathakta amadi mahak ki matiang pangliba singudi mathakta phangan bio.
Now, All Manipur Students Guardians Association today alleged that a doctor who was rejected by the verification committee in the recruitment of doctors in surgery department of JNIMS has been appointed in the hospital. Speaking to media at the office of the association, Secretary Organization S. Sumati Devi said JNIMS Director Professor L. Diben Singh on September 11th last year notified that 3 out of the 4 sanctioned posts for the surgery department were filled up. Dr. D.P. Kyodowu Richard, a former junior house officer at RIMS who was rejected during the verification, was included in the shortlisted candidates.
Asigumlaba JNIMS selection committee ase honorable chief minister masana siame loiba asigumba committee amana lana asigumba thaba hapa matamda aramba thawong kaya sathaba haibise mioibegi punsi kangadori ba doctor surgery gi doctor khamma matamda urology gi doctor khanjaba khanjanba asigumba kaya asina akoi misi mina kaya tholo oi haningai leite JNIMS ki tongan ba department gi aranba thawong kaya da doctor appointment to bosigi matangda CBI da akoi CBI da case ama file tawragani.
Tado Students Association General Headquarters congratulated LM Khaute on his appointment as the Director General of Police. The student body in a press release appealed to him to focus more on modernization of state police and basic policing so as to improve law and order of the land. Now, a drug addict has been arrested by Action Plan Duty Party Cycle of Imphal West Police for stealing a cycle. He was arrested near the Pauna International Market, Kaishampat last night around 9:30 along with the stolen cycle. He has been handed over to city police. The culprit is identified as Chungkham Somarendra, 40 years, son of Kulachandra of Kwakaithel Thonaujam Laikai. The stolen cycle belonged to the son of Roshan of Kwakaithel Moirang Purel. Roshan has been treating Somarendra for drug addiction. Shija Pediatrics and Neonatology Department in association with CIPLA organized free influenza vaccination for children 2 years and above at Shija Hospital on January 1st and at Shija Clinic Thaubal on January 2nd. A single dose of vaccination in the form of nasal spray was given to children which will help them prevent from influenza virus for at least 1 year. 290 children were given free influenza vaccination at the camps. Nanupi Khunai Lamzing Lup More today condoled the death of General Secretary of Poirai Laimarol Apunba Maira Paibi Manipur, R.K. Landoni Devi. A condolence meeting was held at the Library Hall of Nupi Khunai Chowkhat Lamjing Lup More, where attendees observed 2-minute silence and recalled her contributions to the society. Now some sports news. Eastern Students Club B Nongmebung, Manipur Police Sports Club B and Chinkhai Hunba Polo Club A Kongpal defeated their rivals in the 31st N Hazari and Dr. N Tombi State Polo Tournament at Mapal Kangzaibung. In today's first match, Eastern Students Club B Nongmebung thrashed Chinkhai Hunba Polo Club B Kongpal 11-1. In the second match, Manipur Police Sports Club B dropped Imphal Riding Polo Club Lamphelpat by 10-2. In the third match, Chinkhai Hunba Polo Club A Kongpal routed Nongchup Pana Polo Club Langjing by 16-0. There will be 2 matches tomorrow. Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association is organizing the tournament. Neroka FC and Gangtok Himalaya were drawn by 1-1 in the second division I-League play today at Kuman Lampak Main Stadium. In the first half, Gangtok Himalaya FC netted a goal, but Neroka equalized the score in the second half. In the second half, CH Kishan of Neroka scored the equalizer in the 79th minute of the match to draw the match. Mohammedan with 13 points is leading the league table, while Neroka is in the second place with 12 points. The next match between Neroka FC and Fateh Hyderabad will be held on January 9th. Manipur trounced Goa by 5-0 in a final league match of the 31st Senior National Women's Football. In the match played today at Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh, T.H. Umabati, E. Bidyarani, N.G. Bala, Dangmei Grace and O. Bembem netted 1 goal each to lead the team to victory. Manipur will play with Uttar Pradesh on the 6th of this month. Now, Patsoi Makha Yaipallup organized a Patsoi grassroots football development program at Pemyal Ground, Patsoi Part 2. About 60 boys under 10 and 13 years participated in the program. Social worker Chungkhom Bijoy and CNN Mobile Pauna Bazaar proprietor Nishikanta Chungtham presented uniform to the young players. AFC B license holder KH Ratan will coach the players, while W. Roman will be the manager of the year-long program. The second state-level Anand Memorial Bodybuilding Championship 2016 was held at Usha Bhavan Club Community Hall, Sagulpan, Sayang. Bodybuilders from different parts of the state competed in the championship organized by Anand Memorial Gym under the aegis of Manipur Amateur Bodybuilding Association. Indian Premier League yesterday revealed the actual salary figures for all retained players on its website. While it was long believed that MS Dhoni was the league's highest paid player, the numbers on the IPL website painted a different story. In fact, it is India's test skipper Virat Kohli who tops the list. He is paid Rs 15 crore by Royal Challengers Bangalore. Dhoni will be paid Rs 12.3 crore by his new Pune team. Chris Gayle is the highest paid overseas cricketer in IPL. Before we wind up this bulletin, let's have a look at the headlines once again. Irom Chanu Sharmila demands for a plebiscite for the removal of Armed Forces Special Powers Act from Manipur. Chief Minister sees work at 40 kV mega power substation in Thopal, Kunau, instructs official to complete groundwork before monsoon. And Neroka FC and Gangtok Himalaya are drawn by 1-1 in the 2nd Division I-League at Kumalnampak main stadium.